Hit me! Hit me! Hit me!
Absolute cinema.
Oh my god, there's a man in my house!
It says 1992.
Some of us.
A top and a bottom.
Good morning. It's actually almost noon, but whatever. I just woke up. I just washed my face. I need to pack. Also, don't mind this eyebrow. I had an accident and they don't look alike, but whatever. I need to pack. I need my camera, my digital camera. I need... What else do I need? That was just the door opening because of the wind. What else do I need? My makeup, my skincare, my what else? I need to shower. Like, why? I need to edit videos. I like still have like 3 episodes of One Piece that I need to edit, and one that I've been like trying to edit for the past, I don't know, and it keeps not wanting to edit. It's annoying me. So yeah, that's what I need to do. A lot of things to do, I know. I think I'm gonna shower first. That's like a thing I need to do first. That's what I need to do. I need clothes, obviously. I need to pack clothes, which I don't really know what to wear because I don't... The weather says it's gonna rain, but I don't know how much. So I don't know if I had... I mean, obviously I'm gonna pack pants because that's the only... I don't think I'm gonna wear any skirts. It's too risky to wear skirts. So that's what I'm gonna do. Boy, a lot of things to do for sure. Also, I said that I'm gonna like pack my watercolor and like some watercolor pages because I don't have a watercolor sketchbook. I only have like pages that I need to cut and rip so I don't draw like on a big paper. Oh boy, I wanted to draw more as I keep seeing like reels of people. I just reels of people doing like going places and like drawing at the place, and I was like, oh, I want to try that. That seems fun, but I'm not as skilled as those people I see. But like, we're still gonna do it. Also, I'm lacking in white. If like white finishes, how am I gonna replace it? Like, it's a palette. I don't know. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned. I think I'm gonna just go shower. Anyway, bye. Hello. So I just like finished showering and doing my hair. Excuse me. Yeah, like this. So yeah, it's almost 5 right now. I haven't done anything. Also, yeah, this clip is too small for my hair. So yeah. Also, it's soon iftar, so like I have to start doing... My brain is really slow today. Start like preparing. So yeah. I think I'm gonna like grab my pajamas. I'm already like charging my camera because it takes a long time. I think I'll grab my pajamas and put them next to like the... What is... Oh, no, it's... But it looks stupid. Whatever. Luggage? Yeah. I need to put my pajamas like in my luggage. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't know. Vlogged in so long. It's so awkward. I don't remember it being this awkward. Anyway, see you. Ignore the lack of lighting. It's very dark in here. So I'm about to cut paper. I have this like since a long time. Ooh. Since like I was in school. So it has already like done pages, which I'm not gonna do anything with them. So like those are already done. This is already done. I'm not gonna paint like behind them. I still have like, oh my god, I actually have like only one left. We're cutting it small, like this is A3. I'll cut it in half, so then it's A4, and then cut it in half, and then it's A5, and then cut it in half again. I don't know. It might work. I don't know. I need to measure it for me to do that. Right, this. I think there's like, oh, there's this. I know it's flipped. This is of my Uzi. This was last year. God damn. Okay. As you can see, I'm not that skilled in watercolor. I didn't watercolor. In watercolor, I'm okay. I don't know what the hell this is. I'm not gonna peek behind it. I don't know what was happening here. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it and see. I have the cutting board. I know you can see it. Wait. This is it. A very big one. Actually, my dad bought it. I didn't really want it this big. But my dad bought it so big. I was like, ah, I have nowhere to put it. I have it in the living room right now. Okay, so this A5 is what E3. But like, isn't it way too big to be E3? Yeah, it looks smaller.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm just gonna do the normal thing, which we do this. We're gonna like keep tying it into, and then cut it. I hope this is like enough. I don't know. This is like the last thing I have left. I need to buy it again. It was like really good. I bought it for $8.5. It was like 85 dirhams. Why am I struggling? I just read it and translated it to dollars. This is in half. I'll just cut it. Why is this dirty?
Raise your yeah.
So I'm done. I made them like a book. Oopsies. I'm gonna like not now, but like I'm gonna sew them so like it stays like a book. Okay. It's 11 right now. I've been editing for since 7, I think. I'm going crazy. This is never ending. Actually, I have like one episode left, episode 8 to do, and I haven't packed a thing. I'm so doomed. Well, this is gonna be like a long night. Good morning. So I'm just about to get ready. I'm not gonna put any makeup on. Just like, what am I gonna put on? Skincare, like, my brain is so shut. What the fuck? What am I gonna put on? Oh yeah, what the this. Hydrate.
Moisturize me.
Hydrate. My God. Why did I go away from my brain? Just sneeze. Also this jacket. This, I don't know. This zip up hoodies my brother's. Anyway, you can see it sneezing because it's been in the closet for too long. My God. I think I'm gonna wipe my face because like I do some treatment to like make the pimples dry. And it doesn't wash up easily. So I'm gonna wash it with this. I don't have much left actually. So ignore that there's the sun from this side. I cannot control the sun. So this is about to be finished. Sunscreen. Actually, it's also about to finish. Actually, they tell you you shouldn't do this, but I don't listen. Do I listen? I don't listen. Done. Oh, it's time for my hair. My hair. My face. My color. What my nationality? This song was so big in like 2021. Was it 2021? Yeah, those were crazy times. People were crazy. People were crazy. Should I even do that? I did my hair so good this time. Like, I know you can't tell. But like, usually this part is like really not like this. So now it's like this is random, like very random. One of the reasons like people are like, oh yeah, like once in your life you like gotta shave your head once in your life. One thing, the reason why I'm never gonna shave my head is not because like, oh my god, I cannot live with that hair. No, that's not. In COVID, in like when we were in quarantine, my brother shaved his head like fully, and his head shape looked, I can't say. So I was like, oh yeah, I shouldn't do this, because if his shape looked like that, then what the hell is mine gotta be like? Sometimes I'm like, my head shape looks insane. Like, I'm glad I have hair to cover it up. Getting my hair shaved. Excuse me. I'm not doing that. I think I'm gonna leave it in a bun. No, in a ponytail. I don't know what to do with my bangs. They're so overgrown. Like, look at this. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave them to the side and be like a clean girl for a day. My aesthetic is not clean girl. I don't really have an aesthetic. I just wear whatever. But like, if I had to define it, I don't wear them like always, because like I can't wear skirts every day. But like, I like the office kind of outfits, 90s. Cause my mother and my aunt used to wear them, but she left nothing. I always look at her, like a TikTok of people like just saying, oh, my mom left me those clothes, let's send back to them. And then I look at my mom, I'm like, what are you doing? She left absolutely nothing, not a single thing for me, unless like it's clothes she bought when she got married. But then like when she was like still like how old was she, like in her 20s and stuff? Nothing. Like literally nothing. This woman, I cannot believe her. Even my aunt, none of them has anything. To be fair, it's been a long time, and you would think, oh, kids stay, because of 2010s, they were probably like, oh yeah, the fashion changed a lot. Oh yeah, I still like those clothes. Like, if you look at my Pinterest board, it's always like clothes like this. It's clothes that look appropriate for an office. We're done, I think. I think I'm gonna like put something on my lips. Hold on, where is it? Oh, my back. This. I'm gonna like get used to going out without my makeup. Actually, go out without makeup a lot, but like not far away, just in my neighborhood. Or to this market that is like 5 minutes away. Supermarket. Supermarket is so small, like big. Yeah, that's where I go. Like, I just wear this. Now I did it lightly because everyone is fasting, and I don't want to wear too much. To be fair, no one cares. I just don't feel like doing it. Are we done? Like, first doing light with my mirror. Okay, that's kind of light then. We're done. I need to wrap this because it's starting to melt. The weather is getting hotter, so it's starting to melt. This is, what is this? Coconut oil. In winter, if you didn't know, for your information, in winter it becomes like solid, more solid than this, and like when it's like getting hot, it becomes like liquidy. We got to the house. Oh my god, I gotta show you. I was gonna, okay, this is horrible light. I was gonna draw, but I'm too tired. I just wanna lie down, probably sleep. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. The Wi-Fi is not working, the TV is not working. I'm just connected to my dad's Wi-Fi because my 4G is also not working. Good morning. I know I'm looking crazy right now. I just like changed. Like I haven't done makeup or anything, so I'm about to do it and take you with me to the bathroom.
What if we make believe, hide away amongst the trees, making potions out of leaves, hide and seek in closets empty. If you're the first person to find me, just don't tell them what you've seen. So I think that I might make up for lost time that we wasted. So next time our paths realign, we'll catch up on past lives and laugh about these childlike things, like fights and bickering, first dates and paper rings, and all these childlike things.
Hello, I don't know if you can see me. I probably look crazy. I haven't been filming a lot because we haven't been like doing anything. And tomorrow we're leaving. And we'll probably like go to Ikea or something, so that's good. So yeah, I hope I can film something on Ikea. Oh yeah, it's what I wanted to talk about. Oh yeah, so like we went thrifting. I wanted brown boots, so I like found a brown boots, and I was like, oh, it fits, and I was asking for the price. Obviously, thrifted. Keep in mind, it's thrifted. He said $25. Yeah, $25. Which, like, in my currency, you add another zero. And I'm like, you're like, that is crazy. You could not do that. Crazy. I just didn't want to buy it for $250. In my currency, like, 25. That was crazy. I didn't want to do that. Because, like, the shoe looked like it was not in the best quality. I was like, oh, like, if it was, like, a little bit less expensive, I would, like, obviously, like, bought it because, like, it it's good, but then I was like, when I heard the price, I was like, okay, you know what? These shoes are kind of ugly. I don't want them anymore. So that's why. I'm so sad I didn't get to film much stuff. It's so hard to film when you have a phone. And like I tried to film myself like drawing, but like then I can it's weird, like I have to pull up my phone because I can't just film like basically like take a photo of my food and be like, okay, I'm just gonna draw it and leave my food there. I can't do that unless I'm like there alone. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I hope tomorrow I can film something. I'm getting blinded by this light. Right now it's like 12 p.m. Not even 12, I think. But yeah. So yeah, just wanted to say that. Bye bye. Good night. I'm so sad. So my skin is so shady. I really don't feel like doing any makeup, not gonna lie to you. Wait, what the shit is called? Porcelain. I'm not pressing it now. No. Today, Wednesday, I was trying to film this. Like, what? Doing my makeup, I accidentally just filmed it. Yeah, that's fine. I really wanna get like a DG, what is it called? The DG thingy. But it's not like in the market right now in the country, so. But the, what is it called? Cooper is expensive, so I cannot buy a Cooper. And this DG thing is not, apparently, allegedly. I really want to buy it. I have like a video to film upside too. I'm not gonna tell you, obviously. Like, I want it. We can stop right here and say, finally, I'm scared. Where's my lip combo? No one has one. Wait. Let me do it. I should have some of this. What the fuck? No, it's like, why is there no lights in, bro? I play this first. I don't know if you've seen me do this like multiple times. Look, I really like do something like this. Here's this. Cannot wait to see that. Cannot wait. My hair. My brush here. So juicy because of the brown. What is wrong with you? Because of the ocean, because we're like staying next to the seasons. Whatever this is. I have a brush. I think this is my brush. Sorry, Mom. Gotta use it for science. If you're new here, yeah, this is not my natural hair. Maybe a lot of people can tell. Like when I was in school, a lot of people were shocked that my hair is actually curly, not this. They thought it was like wavy straight. Yeah. Hopefully, we can start doing some new music. Can't wait to react to it. Never reached that. I just feel. I think I'll use my clip. Clip that. look cuter. That is. Another glitter and I think this is a different brick. This. That is good. It's for that cute. And it fits. It's like the Kylie Jenner waiting. The Kylie Jenner photo. Look at that. Loki? Maybe. Okay, no. Or I'll be right back when we're out actually.
Ain't too late for things to fall into place. Let's take it slow on my pace. I heard you, are you on your way?
This is my new setup, guys. Haha. Haha. Wow, very good. Ignore the price tag. It's actually so cute. What the hell?
You're in too deep, we're losing sleep. This feeling so real. My body's calling for you. Don't you know my body's always calling for you? You know my body.
Hello, I know I look crazy, but I just want to show you that I bought this cup. And you know what my mom said? She was like, are you gonna like see every green cup and buy it? Excuse me? How's that a bad thing? Anyways, so I just wanted to show you about this cup. Very cute. Bye bye.